is via Edra and NATO, requesting a third call check on Echo Golf, Bravo Fox.
Lufthansa 465, Shamrock CPDLC, track X-ray, exit Bedra, NER2. Your backup is 5649er, and here's your cell call check.
5649 is backup frequency, and we have a positive circle, Lufthansa 564, thank you.
Shamrock, thank you. Confirm it's Lufthansa 465, confirm?
Yeah, sorry, 465.
Lufthansa 465, yeah, thank you.
Wake up on 385, good morning.
United 8, Shamrock, go ahead.
United 8, Shamrock 54 north, 20 west, 0640, flight level 380, estimating Dogal at 0707, Beckset is next. Fuel is 22.8 at Dogal, call Shannon, 132.150, Shamrock. Good day, Shamrock. Break, Air France calling Shamrock, stay your call sign.
Wake up on 381, good morning, flight level 380, roundabout, exiting point Syria.
Air France 385, Shamrock, roger that. Confirm CPDLC?
And we are CPDLC up on 385.
Roger, Air France 385, Shamrock. CPDLC, exit Severe is copied. Your backup was Shanwick. You can use 5649er at Severe, call breast control, 126.265. Here's your cell call.
Contact OK, secondary 5649er and breast 126.265, Air France 385.